How long does it take to rebuild credit after a consumer proposal? I'm Doug Hoyes of Hoyes Michalos. Let's start with the facts. A consumer proposal doesn't impact your credit score forever. In most cases, it remains on your credit report for 3 years after you complete the proposal or 6 years from the date it was filed, whichever comes first. That is the reporting rule, but this rule is often misunderstood because credit rebuilding does not begin when the proposal disappears from your credit report. It usually begins much earlier. In fact, for most people, rebuilding starts while they are still in the proposal. Once a proposal is filed, interest stops, collection calls stops, and payments are fixed. That stability matters because rebuilding credit requires consistent cash flow. Without that foundation, nothing else works. The next factor is payment history. If you're late paying your cell phone bill, that late payment may get reported to Equifax or TransUnion, the two big credit reporting agencies in Canada. By filing a consumer proposal, your cash flow should improve, helping you stay current on your monthly bills and preventing your credit score from dropping due to late payments. Now, let's talk about timing. For many people, early signs of improvement appear within the first 12 months. This does not mean a dramatic increase in your credit score, but it does mean fewer negative updates, older accounts aging, which lessens their impact, so your credit score begins to stabilize. But the real magic happens after the proposal is completed. I see it all the time. As soon as your completed proposal is reported to the credit reporting agencies and your old debt balances are officially reset to zero, it's very common for your credit score to increase by 50 points. Now that you're debt-free, you can apply for a small credit card, which will also bump up your credit score. But let's be realistic here. You can't expect to complete a consumer proposal and instantly have a credit score of 800. That's not how it works. Your credit score is based on your debts and credit history, and it takes time to rebuild a positive credit history. This is where expectations matter. Rebuilding credit is not about speed. It's about consistency, small balances, on-time payments, every month, over time. There's no shortcut around that process. How long rebuilding takes depends on what your credit looked like before the proposal, whether you continued payments on a secured debt like a car loan, whether there are missed payments after filing, and how carefully new credit is managed afterwards. Someone who completes their proposal and uses new credit conservatively will rebuild faster than someone who continues to miss payments or overuses credit. Now, I know what questions are going through your head. When can I get credit again? When does borrowing become possible? For many people, access to basic credit returns relatively soon after completion. Larger borrowing, such as car loans or mortgages, usually comes later, once a longer pattern of positive credit history is established. A consumer proposal does not permanently damage your credit. It is a reset, not a dead end. So, how long does it take to rebuild after a consumer proposal? Well, expect early stabilization during the proposal, stronger rebuilding after completion, and steady improvement in the years that follows. What matters most is not the date the proposal drops off your credit report. What matters is how credit is managed during and after the process. I see it all the time. As soon as your completed proposal is reported to the credit reporting agencies and your old debt balances are officially reset to zero, it's very common for your credit score to increase by 50 points. Now that you're debt-free, you can apply for a small credit card, which will also bump up your credit score perhaps by another 50 points if it's new credit obtained after the proposal ended, because that indicates rebuilding. Every situation is different, but if you follow a prudent approach, rebuilding is possible. For a detailed breakdown of how a consumer proposal affects your credit report, what rebuilding tools make sense and what to avoid, check out the links below for resources that provide clear, practical guidance.